On a daily basis, you probably visit tens of websites. You open your device, go to your browser, and go to google.com. From there, you'll visit other websites depending on your Google search. And all of this is done to seek out information, data illustrations, and so on. Anyway, I'm just giving you samples so you can understand that every time you open a website, you may actually generate streams of revenue that will allow you to make up to a gigantic sum of $4,000 in total. I know it's absolutely incredible, right? That number is certainly not a joke. Today, I'm going to tell you how to accomplish it quickly. By the end of this video, you'll be efficient and well on your way to financial freedom. So watch until the end to know this secret strategy. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into the first website, which is called UpVoice. It's actually not much of a website, but more of an extension to put onto your Google Chrome browser. That's right, you must use Google Chrome to make this method work. Anyway, let's get to know the website before we get to the sign up and download process. So once we're on their information website, right here you can find UpVoice, is where you can start earning gift cards just by visiting social media platforms on your computer. If you're an avid user of social media, or perhaps you can call yourself a social media addict, then this is definitely up your alley. But honestly, in this day and age, I believe everyone is an active user of social media. Therefore, this strategy will all work flawlessly in everyone's favor. But how does it work? As you can see here, everything can be performed in just 3 easy steps. Step 1 is to install the UpVoice browser extension after signing up, which we will go over shortly. The installation is safe, free, and simple to use. Step 2 is to visit their supported social media platforms that you enjoy and follow the instructions that they provide. Step 3 is to nearly earn as you browse through the social media platforms. You see, UpVoice discreetly records ads and provides you with daily points that can be redeemed for gift cards. Now you're essentially free to explore the website some more and uncover important information that you think will satisfy the knowledge gap yourself. This page contains all of the information that you require, so feel free to scroll and browse through everything. Once your curiosity has been satisfied, you can now proceed to the sign up process by clicking on the blue button in the middle that says Sign Up. This will take you to this page where you can now officially begin the registration journey. You may sign in using Google, Microsoft, or Yahoo, so choose the way that best suits your needs. Once you've signed up, return to the steps and begin with Step 1, which is to install the extension to your browser. Once you do this, you now have the ability to generate a stream of income that allows you to make money very easily, and that is to do what you love to do online, which is to visit social media platforms. You can do this while lying down in your bed, waiting in line for groceries, or just randomly scrolling through your favorite apps. Imagine how easily you can generate a passive income stream by doing this. Now, how cool is that? And that's basically it for UpVoice, which means we're now free to move on to the next website for today's video, Brave.com. You should know that Brave is basically a browser similar to Google. But unlike Google, you get fantastic results that are right on the money in line with your search keywords. Let me tell you that Brave is exactly the same. It provides the same level of efficiency, simple navigation, and quick results that are extremely relevant to what you're looking for. Given this information, what distinguishes Brave is one simple word: money. With Brave, you can actually earn money by browsing and supporting your favorite content creators. As I stated earlier, all of these websites will be aligned to your benefit, which means that you are the center of the world and the websites all work in your favor. With that said, you should be delighted to know that Brave works perfectly in all devices that you own. And even more delightfully, you can freely use either Android or iOS because they will work just fine on both of these devices. Everything is simply a giant chef's kiss since it can be downloaded from both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. With an overall download amount of more than 500,000 people, Brave has an average rating of 4.6 stars out of a total of 5, which is insane because most apps only receive an average of about 3 stars. And with Brave, it is certainly put above the worldwide average. Not only that, but you can see here that there is a variety of extremely excellent feedback and comments. With a reputation as impressive as this app, there is simply no doubt about its entire integrity and legitimacy. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you love the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now let's return to the video. And finally, the third and last website that I will introduce today's video is none other than QMe.com. Right away, you'll see what QMe is all about, since this is where you can give your opinion and shop to get real cash rewards. Take note of this. You will earn real money and not just swag or points. They certainly emphasize this, and their website is extremely extensive, so you can find out all you need to know right here, right now. Now let's have a look around. Scroll down a little bit and you'll see the 3 primary features that QMe has to offer. First, surveys. Businesses want to know your opinion and they want to pay you for it. Second, cashback. Earn cashback on great products and enjoy your wallet being a little bit bigger at the end of the month. Finally, deals. Find deals on the biggest brands around, or just let them show you the ones you will like. All of them will stem from this one massive platform known as QMe. Continue scrolling down to find their beyond outstanding response. As they mention right here, there's sort of a huge thing with decent Trustpilot ratings. Trustpilot is a trusted source for determining how successful a website is, so you're in good hands. Next, learn how this whole thing works. QMe will do all the work for you because you will only need to take a few quick steps to get started. You could simply take surveys while doing your mundane daily activities, complete surveys, and earn money on your morning commute, or during your downtime while studying, or simply by doing the most random things in your life. All you need though is a PayPal account, and you can claim your money in no time. With that stated, simply return to the top of the website and begin the sign-up process instantly. Fill in your email address and password, and then there's nothing left for you to do except push that sign-up button. A fair warning about QMe, it's currently only available in a few countries around the world, namely the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and France. If you live in one of these countries, you should be fine. If you don't, you'll actually have to need or use a VPN service to utilize the service. But there are many free VPN providers accessible on the internet, so simply select what works best for you. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video!